Welcome to this AladdinVerse tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to deposit USDT into your AladdinVerse account using TokenPocket. Before starting, please make sure your TokenPocket wallet has USDT on BNB Smart Chain and also a small amount of BNB for network gas fees. Without BNB, the approval, deposit, and share claim transactions may not complete. First, open your TokenPocket wallet and check your asset balance. Here, you can see the wallet has USDT available and BNB is also required for transaction fees. Now go to the TokenPocket browser or the app section and open AladdinVerse.com. Always confirm that you are opening the correct official website before connecting your wallet. Once AladdinVerse loads, your wallet connects to the dashboard. At the top, you can see the connected wallet address, and on the dashboard, you can see your account profile and navigation buttons. Now scroll or move to the subscription and earnings section. This is where the deposit option is available. Tap the deposit option to open the Deposit USDT window. The deposit pop-up will show the network as BSC mainnet, your connected wallet address, and your available USDT balance. Enter the amount you want to deposit. In this example, we are entering 5 USDT. You can also use the quick amount buttons such as $10, $50, $100, or $500, depending on your balance and your plan. After entering the amount, tap Review Deposit. Now TokenPocket may ask for token approval. This is a normal Web3 step that allows the smart contract to use your USDT for this deposit transaction. Please read the security information carefully. Only approve the transaction when the website, network, and wallet address are correct. Tap Next Step, then review the transaction details. On the transaction details screen, check the approval information, the network fee, and the wallet address. Once everything looks correct, tap Approve. TokenPocket will now ask for your fingerprint, password, or wallet confirmation. Verify the transaction and wait. After approval, you will return to the AladdinVerse deposit window. You may see a message like Confirming Approval. At this stage, do not refresh the page, do not close TokenPocket, and avoid touching the screen unnecessarily. Just wait for the system to process the approval. Next, TokenPocket will show the actual deposit transaction. This is the transaction that sends your selected USDT amount into the AladdinVerse system. Review the details again, then confirm the transaction. Use your fingerprint or wallet password to approve it. Now wait again while the transaction is being confirmed. Please do not press the button multiple times and do not go back while the transaction is processing. Once the deposit is successful, you will see the success message and the system will begin redirecting. Very important step. Immediately after the deposit, AladdinVerse opens a Claim Pending Shares pop-up for the NFT Marketplace. This claim step is required. Do not skip it. This pop-up connects your deposit with your NFT Marketplace share allocation. Here, you can see the subscription details, the pending amount, and the expected shares. In this example, the pending amount is 5 USDT and the expected shares are shown according to the marketplace calculation. Tap the Claim or Confirm button to claim your pending shares. TokenPocket will open another confirmation screen. This transaction may show a 0 token amount, but BNB is still required for the network gas fee. Review the transaction details, then tap Confirm. Use your fingerprint or wallet password to approve the claim transaction. Now wait while the claim transaction is processed. Again, do not refresh, close the app, or touch the screen repeatedly. Let the system complete the process. Once the share claim is completed, the user may be redirected toward the NFT Marketplace or marketplace-related section. From there, You can use the bottom navigation and tap the home button to return back to the main dashboard. After returning to the dashboard, you can review your updated subscription and earnings area. You may also see marketplace share information and other dashboard sections related to your account activity. That's it. Your USDT deposit is complete and your NFT Marketplace shares have been claimed successfully. Always remember, keep enough BNB in your TokenPocket wallet for gas fees, wait patiently after every confirmation, and never close the screen while the transaction is processing. Thank you for watching this AladdinVerse tutorial.